Welcome to ExpressIRSForms, your premier online tax solution for filing your IRS information returns accurately and easily. Your easily accessible W-2 form template is ready to be filled here that keeps you hassle-free. Here you can add the federal information in terms of amount for the W-2 form. Enter wages information by entering the amount in boxes 1 through 14 that needs to be reported to the federal government in the given W-2 form. For box 1, enter in the total taxable wages or salary before any payroll deductions that was paid to the employee. For box 2, enter the total federal income tax withheld from the employee's wages for the year. For box 3, enter the total wages paid before payroll deductions subject to employee Social Security tax. For box 4, show the total employee Social Security tax, not your share, withheld, including Social Security tax on tips. For box 5, enter the total Medicare wages and tips reported. For box 6, enter the total employee Medicare tax, not your share, withheld. Include only tax withheld for 2015 wages and tips. For box 7, show the tips that the employee reported to you even if you did not have enough employee funds to collect the Social Security tax for the tips. For box 8, if you are a food or beverage establishment, show the tips allocated to the employee. Do not include this amount in boxes 1, 3, 5, or 7. For box 10, report the total amount of dependent care benefits that you paid or was incurred by you for your employee. For box 11, report distributions to an employee from a non-qualified plan or non-governmental Section 457B plan in this box so that the SSA can determine if any part of the amount reported in box 1 or boxes 3 and or 5 was earned in a prior year. For boxes 12A through 12D, will report a single letter or double letter code followed by a dollar amount. Note that the codes do not relate to where they should be entered in boxes 12A through 12D on Form W-2. For box 13, check the boxes that apply. Check the statutory employee box for statutory employees whose earnings are subject to Social Security and Medicare taxes but not subject to federal income tax withholding. Check the retirement plan box if the employee is a member of a retirement plan. And check the third-party sick pay box if you are a third-party sick pay payer filing a Form W-2 for an insured employee or are an employer reporting sick pay payments made by a third party. And for box 14, any additional information or benefits the employer wants the employee to have and cannot be reported in boxes 1 through 13 can be listed here. Examples would be auto allowance, travel reimbursement, relocation expenses, job uniforms, etc. After finalizing your employee's W-2 information, click Next to enter your state details. This video was brought to you by ExpressIRSForms, the IRS authorized ACA compliance and reporting division and market leader for 1099 and W-2 forms. Please do not hesitate to contact our dedicated support team in Rock Hill, South Carolina if you have any questions or need further assistance.